There are two main ways that you will be asked to upload a picture onto Canvas. The first way is simple. You'll see it says upload and choose a file. When you click on that, you can look for your picture. If you don't have a picture, you're going to need to take that picture. On a Windows computer, come down here, and I'm on the bottom left on the Start menu, and I can search for my camera. I will type camera, and it will pop up for me on the list. This is the same thing on a Chromebook, but on a Chromebook, you won't be clicking on a Windows button, you'll click on a circle. Click on that, and then you can type in the word camera. Now you have your camera. In this assignment, it asked me to take a picture of one of my favorite people. So here's a picture of my dad, and I'm going to take a picture by clicking right over here. And it will look very similar on a Chromebook to take that picture. You'll want to know where you can find that picture, and you want to know if that picture came out well. So I click here, and on Chrome it will be a similar thing. You'll see a small picture of what you took. Click on that, and you can say, yes, it came out, it's clear, it's easy to see, and that's really important, especially if you're doing like a math problem where you don't want it to be blurry. You want your teacher to be able to read that easily. When I come over here, I see three little dots. That tells me more. On most computer programs, if you see three dots, you can find more information. I'm going to click on Open Folder, so I can see where it stores it on my computer, and it stores it in the picture folder under the camera roll. So when I'm back in Canvas, I want to look for pictures and camera roll. Before we leave this program though, I'm going to go back and take one more picture because it also asks for a picture of another favorite person, and this is my mom. So I'll take that picture, check to see how she looks, and she looks beautiful. I will close that down, and I have to remember I'm looking for the camera roll in the pictures folder. So I choose a file, and there they are. Okay, Canvas somehow found my camera roll, but sometimes it doesn't. So I try to find where the pictures are and the camera roll. If you have a lot more folders, don't worry about it. Just look for your camera roll. And I can click on my dad first. There he is. It says that it's been successful. Now, this kind of question does not leave me a space to answer it. And if your teacher did that, what you might want to do is put that information in the next place where you can and say, I'm sorry, teacher, but in question number 1, it didn't give me a space to type this answer. I'm typing it here. So question 1, something about my dad. He likes to ride his bike and take pictures. Okay, so that's 2 things about him. In question number 2, I'm going to be talking about my mom. So my mom likes to swim and kayak. Okay, but I need to put that picture of my mom. I don't see a place to do that. I see these other icons, but they all have to do with writing. Oh, right here, insert image, upload image. So I can do that. If you are looking at it and you don't see an insert button because your Canvas looks a little different, click where you can see more. And right here is for images. This one is for videos. There's all sorts of different things you can upload. So I'm going to click on images, click to upload the image, click on the picture of my mom, open, and make sure to always submit. It's not clear on this computer, but you will see a red button that says submit. And now I have the writing that I was supposed to do. I have the picture. You'll notice while this one was easier in question 1, it did not allow you to write. And so you will probably see this more often. And you can see this kind of thing in quizzes and assignments and discussion board, and all of those you can upload a picture. And when you're looking for how to insert that picture, you're going to want to look for an icon that looks something like this. It looks like a mountain. And if you don't know what they are, just keep your mouse over them and it will tell you what they mean. In this case, this says images. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.